if log base 3 2, log base 3 2 power x minus 5, log base 3 2 power x minus 7 by 2 are in arithmetic progression, then find the value of x. So this is the question. Solution. So if alpha, beta, gamma are in arithmetic progression, then what is the condition? 2 beta is equal to alpha plus gamma. This is the condition. So if you impose that condition, then 2 beta means 2 into middle term, that is log base 3 2 power x minus 5 is equal to alpha plus gamma. That alpha is first term is what? Log base 3 2 plus third term, that is log base 3 2 power x minus 7 by 2. So now this is nothing but log base 3 2 power x minus 5 whole square is equals to, here bases are same, so log a plus log b is log ab, that is log base 3 2 into 2 power x minus 7 by 2. So both side log base 3 is there, you can remove log, then it becomes 2 power x minus 5 whole square is equals to 2 times 2 power x minus 7 by 2. So now for algebraic convenience, you let 2 power x equal to t, which is greater than 0, because 2 power x is always positive. So now this becomes t minus 5 whole square is equals to 2 into t minus 7 by 2. So if you open this bracket, this becomes 2t minus 7 is equals to t square plus 25 minus 10t. Now by rearranging terms, you can write this thing as t square. So take out 2t this side, that is minus 12t, 25 plus 7, that is 32 is equals to 0. So now solve this quadratic, that is this is nothing but t square minus 8t minus 4t plus 32 is equals to 0. Now this implies t into t minus 8 minus 4 into t minus 8 is equal to 0. So from this one, t minus 8 into t minus 4 is equals to 0. That implies t is equals to 8 comma 4. But what is our t? T is equal to 2 power x. That implies 2 power x is equals to 8 and 2 power x is equals to 4. Therefore here x is equal to 3 is one value of x. Here x is equals to 2. Another value of x is 2. But if you see the terms of the progression, see if you see the middle term, so log base 3 2 power x minus 5 is there. In that one, if you put x is equal to 2, then what happens? Log base 3, so 2 square minus 5, that is log base 3 minus 1. Log is not defined for negative values. That's why x is equal to 2 is not acceptable value. Only acceptable value is what? X is equal to 3. Therefore answer is only x is equal to 3. This is the solution.